Hi everyone. I've been talking about a few ways to make money online, such as buying crypto, selling your own products, sharing your photos, and more. And I will be sharing more ways to make money online so that you have many more choices and you can pick one or a few that you prefer or that suits you best. But today, I like to share with you what I find is the best way to make money online. I like to suggest that to you. The first thing you need to know is that there are basically two ways of making money online. There is the active income and passive income. Active income is when you exchange time and effort for money. In other words, when you work, you get paid. You don't work, you don't get paid. Some of the examples of active income choices are such as doing freelance, e-commerce stores, FBA, private label, being an influencer, etc. And then there's a way of making money online by creating passive income. Passive income is basically doing the work once, and after that, the money should just keep coming in without you needing to do more work. Passive income choices are such as blogging, doing YouTube videos such as this, selling courses, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and more. So which do I recommend? Which do I find is the best way to make money online? I have tried so many of these methods, the income, active income method and the passive income method, all that I've mentioned before. And to me, the best way to make money online is to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other brands' products, and then when people buy the products via your affiliate links, you earn a commission. One example is Amazon Associates. You promote the products on Amazon, and when people buy, you earn a commission and you get paid. And affiliate programs are not only on Amazon, there are many affiliate programs out there. There are hundreds and thousands of affiliate programs in hundreds of thousands of niches. There are affiliate programs for health, for pets, for well-being, spiritual topics like meditation, and plenty more. At the resource that I've mentioned before, you can find the best affiliate programs with the highest commissions using the affiliate program research tool. With this tool, it cuts down your search time, and at a glance, you can see how much commission you can earn. And also, you can see reviews from people who have tried the affiliate program, and they can tell you whether it's good or bad, or what are the good points and bad points. You can also get this very useful tool at their platform. I will leave the link in the description below. Besides getting the affiliate program research tool, you can actually get free training. Of course, ultimately, it's all up to you. Which way of making money is the best and most suitable for you? Some of you may prefer to earn via active income methods. Some prefer passive income. Me, I've tried so many, and I've tried, like I said, the active income and passive income ways of making money online. And today, I still prefer affiliate marketing. This is because I would like to earn passive income. And I would like to have more free time for my family and friends, and plus I get to go for nice, fun vacations. If you like to make money doing affiliate marketing, you need the right education, tools, and expert help to succeed. So here's a resource that you can rely on that has all the three things you need to succeed: education, tools, expert help. I will leave the link in the description below, so go there and click on the link, where you get free training as well as this tool. I will be doing more make money online videos, so remember to subscribe to get notified when I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.